jaw was just getting in the way now, so I've got to use this over there, bird over there, so get the saw into the feathers. See how that works. When you can't get in there with your saw, or it's a bit awkward, I've gone through there as well, so it's getting a bit thin, these feathers are, a bit close to here, and obviously I'm moving like a big 4 or 5 foot lump of wood around, so I can't move it around as easy as you normally can, so they're getting in here with a chainsaw, get your file sander in there, and all you're trying to do is do the same thing, so I'll just sand on an angle like that, if you're going in with the saw, and that angle. Cut a little bit through to the other side there, so all I'm doing is getting a Gorilla Glue, some of the sawdust that's been made from this actual wood. Just grabbed a bit off the floor and from in the back of there, then grab the Gorilla Glue, mix it around. I'm going to make sure it's nicely mixed, otherwise when you go to cut it again it'll just expose glue and no wood, so you want the wood mixing nicely with the glue. So I should like sanding it, or because obviously I have to reshape this feather again. You want wood to be exposed, not just glue to be exposed, so when you paint it, it'll actually paint and stuff like that. So yeah, there you go, homemade wood filler. So I've just covered it up with a bit of dry wood, dry sawdust just on the outside edge, and then any glue that's left on top of here, I've got some more sawdust, and then same that's left on the spatula, or whatever you want to call it, glue knife. Press it all over here, over the top of surface that I've mixed the glue on, off my jaw horse, and then there you go. There won't be any glue left on there, there's no glue left on there. I'll snap the beak. So I've just got 2 nails, cut the heads off. So I damaged the beak, so I've cut the damaged beak off and then cut the heads off 2 nails, sharpened the other end, so I've tapped the nails halfway in, and then I've cut this piece of wood off 2x2, and then I've cut that bit off the 2x2 as well, so then I can put the glue on there and I can hit onto that piece, not the piece that's going to be the beak. So I'm going to line that piece that I've cut for the beak central on here, so I've got plenty of room up and down, because obviously the beak is going to curve over at the bottom. So I'm basically using nails as dowels. Put a bit of sawdust on it. So I've just mixed up some Gorilla Glue and sawdust. So the eagle's almost done. I painted the varnish on, clear coat, by hand, and it took me 6.5 hours to inside all the bubbles and the eagle. So after that 6.5 hours the first time, I thought it's about time that I brought a paint sprayer, so that's what I've done. So there it is. There's the finished product. The talons, fish fins, one flopping over that side, one flopping over that side, them 2 down there. The fish being caught and pulled out of the water by the eagle. So this is the little spray gun that I brought, £35 from Screwfix, and then I brought some paper filters, little mixing pot, and done is I've put 400 millilitres of exterior yacht varnish clear satin from Wilkinson's, and then white spirit, 100 millilitres of that, so 25%. So 400 millilitres of varnish, 100 millilitres of white spirit, Thins oil based paints, and then just keep mixing it. You see how that runs off in a nice continuous flow. That's what you want. Obviously this is only the second time I've used my paint sprayer, so it's working well for me, but it's not like I've been doing it for years. So see how it goes with your paint sprayer. Like I say, this is just a cheap one, so it might be that you can get away with using less on different paint sprayers, or you need more. And I think the nozzle in the end of here is 2mm. So that'll make a difference as well. So I'm going to get on with spraying this eagle. Repair job on the nose turned out okay. All the joins, you can't hardly see them unless like you know where they are and you go right up to it. So yeah. Bit of a long video this one, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And if anyone's interested in purchasing this eagle in the UK, give me a message.